Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly special, the best orange and blue dress you can find. The Grace KARIN Summer Dress for Women 2024. Let's dive right in. This stunning halter neck maxi dress is a real head-turner. Crafted by Grace KARIN, known for their quality and style, this dress is perfect for those sunny days at the beach or even a boho-themed wedding. Let's talk features. The dress boasts a halter neck design with a backless tie-up, showing off your shoulders and back elegantly. The smocked bodice not only adds a touch of uniqueness but also allows for a comfortable and adjustable fit. Whether you're strolling along the beach or attending a summer soiree, this dress is versatile. Pair it with your favorite accessories, earrings, necklaces, or a floppy hat, and you're ready to shine. Made from a soft and breathable fabric blend of 95% polyester and 5% elastane, this dress ensures all-day comfort. Plus, it's easy to care for, just hand wash and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about the design. With its tiered skirt and flared A-line silhouette, this dress exudes effortless elegance. And guess what? It even has two convenient side seam pockets, perfect for storing your essentials. So, if you're looking for the perfect summer dress that combines style, comfort, and versatility, look no further than the Grace KARIN Summer Dress for Women 2024. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, stay stylish.